In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your business email on Hostinger. I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step and walk you through the whole process. So first, what you want to do is log into Hostinger. And on Hostinger, you should have already brought a domain. So you can see if we scroll down, I've got 3 different domains here, and I've also got a hosting plan. Now to go ahead and create a business email, you want to go to emails at the top here, and it will then open up this window. Now, if you've only bought a domain, you're going to have to upgrade to the business starter plan, which is going to be 99 pence per month. So you can get a business email. Now, if you've got hosting, you're already going to have a free built-in business email. So in that case, you can set up your free email service. So click setup, and it will show you what domain names and what plans are available where you can get a free email plan. So go ahead and select that domain and confirm that, and it will then take you to the next step. So once you've done that, it's going to take you to this window where you can then set up your email account. So first you need to enter in an email name. So maybe you want like contact@knowledgebaseonline.com, or maybe you want to put your name. So maybe I want Bradley@knowledgebaseonline.com. So I can then type what I want in there and then enter in a password. So I'll do that now. And then after you've done that, you want to click on create. Now you can see that your email account has been successfully created, and you can configure apps and devices if you want to, but that is optional. If you click on the link on screen now, I'll show you how you can connect your Hostinger account to Gmail. So go ahead and skip this for now. But now you're in the back end, you can go ahead and click on webmail here, and you can simply just log into your emails. So let me just type in the password, and you can see it signs us in here to the email inbox. Here we can reply to messages, send messages, and so on. So that's how you can do it. I hope that video helped you out.